Hi there! So here's the U50 Series 50-inch 4K Toshiba TV. I've been waiting for this one for a really long time. Alright, a couple of things that got me excited about it, one of them being the Vidaa OS. After a ton of Android TVs, here's a breath of fresh air. Something new, something different, something exciting. I really hope it meets our expectations. The other thing that got me excited is 4 years of panel warranty as an introductory offer. Amazing! I'll be sharing all the details in this video, so keep watching till the end. So let's quickly unbox it, set it up and review it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging. On the top left you have the Toshiba branding, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos logo, Vidaa OS mentioned in bold. Towards the right it says designed in Japan and made in India. That is great. At the bottom, Sevo 4K HDR, web browser, Netflix, Alexa built in. So instead of Google Assistant you actually have Alexa. Wow, this should be fun. Bezel-less design and screen mirroring. On the top it has the HDMI logo, Prime Videos and one-click Netflix logo. Alright, let's unbox it. Inside the box is a user manual, a wall mounting bracket, and the wall mounting bracket is made of metal. You have a remote, you have two AAA batteries, you have two stands, and you have the screws for the stands. Now having a closer look at the stand, it's made of solid metal and it's good. It's got this nice grey silver finish. It's solid. It also has rubber at the base so that it gets a good grip on the table. Super amazing stands, really impressive. Having a closer look at the remote, and you have some number keys, you have the power button, you have the input button, menu, D-pad, back button, home button, exit. You have the mic button here. This is for Alexa, mute button, volume and program, pause, play, stop, previous, next. You even have hotkeys for Prime Videos, Netflix and YouTube. Amazing. So you have 3 hotkeys for the most popular apps available directly at your fingertips. So let's quickly fix the stands. There we go. Ready and set on the table. Let's see the build quality. The bezels on the sides and the top are super thin, almost negligible. Toshiba branding on the bottom bezel. The stands are made of metal and come in greyish coating, giving the device a very premium look. The back is made of good quality plastic. Most of the ports are on the left for easy access. Optical output, Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0s, 3 HDMI ports out of which one supports HDMI ARC, 3.5 headphone jack and antenna. Only the AV composite port is behind. Overall the build quality is top notch. Here's a quick glance at the specifications. A53 quad-core CPU, Mali 470 GPU, 4K V8 display panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 1.5 GB RAM and 4 GB internal storage, 30 watt sound output. It supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube official app support. Alright, let's boot it up. So the setup process is super simple. Enter language, country, Wi-Fi password and you're done. So you're welcome to this live TV screen where it says you can either begin scanning or switch inputs, but we want to go to the Vidaa OS, so we'll press the home button on the remote, and there we have the Netflix app, Prime Videos app and YouTube app pre-installed. Here at the bottom we have some slides of videos and movies from Netflix. Yeah, they're just from Netflix and their recommendations of latest and most popular movies. So you have the Netflix app, Prime Videos app, YouTube app. In the apps, you have some of the apps, we'll come to that later. You have inputs and we have screen mirroring, HDMI 1, 2, 3 and AV. Coming back, you have media. Media is when you connect a pen drive or a hard disk to your TV and you can play content from it. Coming to systems. Okay, it shows you the picture mode, dynamic, aspect ratio, picture mode settings. You can change as per your personal preference. There are lots of options to go through. If you come to sound, here sound mode is selected as standard. You have many more options here: theater, music, speech, late night, sports. You have Dolby Atmos, which is already turned on. You can turn it off if you like. Sound mode settings, you can select the source, what source you want it for. You have the equalizer that you can set as per your personal preference. Wall mount setup. So what happens is when you wall mount it, it changes the sound in a way that it becomes even better for wall mounting. But since our TV is table mounted, you'll turn it off. auto volume control. This is where all channels, all apps will have a similar volume level. Anyway, accessibility, you have menu scheme. You can choose the light screen and you can choose the dark. It's like a theme, dark theme or a white theme. High contrast menu, transparency. Okay, system. You can set the timer settings. You can set a pin which is for parental control, just in case you don't want kids to access certain apps. Parental control, language and location, voice service, applications. You can clear cache, delete cookies directly from here. HDMI and CEC control. So suppose you have a home theater system that supports HDMI ARC, you come and turn this on, and then all your devices that work with HDMI ARC will get controlled using this option from here. Bluetooth, you can pair your Bluetooth devices, your Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth speakers. Here you can already see that the smart TV remote is paired with the TV. Now let's see what apps we have here. So we have Netflix, which we'll play and see. So you got to sign in. So as you can see here, it's the regular Netflix app, perfectly smooth, really nice working. Oh my God, that's amazing. And there you go. Did you realize it started almost instantly? The app is so well optimized, works really fast, smooth, clear, sharp. And you can also change the subtitles, turn it off. You can choose the language. Right now we have only English, but there are multiple options usually available. And you can change the audio also directly from here. That's amazing. So Netflix works like a dream, extremely well optimized. This is a Netflix certified app, so you'll get support for 4K videos and Dolby Vision content as well. Dolby Vision is an advanced form of HDR. It's a frame-by-frame processing technology that can deliver more than 1 billion colors on your screen. And Netflix has a ton of content that supports that. Moving to Prime Videos. The app's good and it works really nice. You can see a huge collection of movies and TV shows. Let's play something. There you go. Videos play perfectly fine. You can change the audio and subtitles very easily. Let's check out YouTube. Here is a YouTube video playing at 4K and it's playing perfectly fine. So the first thing that caught my attention was the motion smoothness. The smoothness is the best I've seen in a smart TV at this price. I'm sure you can all see it too. It's amazing. Alright, coming to the picture quality. Now this is a VA panel with a 4K resolution and the colors simply pop. The color reproduction is brilliant without a doubt. The blacks look clean, not grayish at all. It has a peak brightness of 400 nits and that really helps the details stand out. The 4K videos are a treat to the eyes. The viewing angles were also pretty good even when you sat diagonally. Surprisingly impressive. The device also provides a variety of HDR formats including HDR10 and HLG across all inputs. To summarize, the display panel does a great job when it comes to sharpness, color reproduction, brightness and motion smoothness. Let's play some 4K videos from the pen drive. As you can see, the default media player supports all these 4K videos. They start playing almost instantly, doesn't lag or stutter at all. So if you have videos or movies that you'd like to play from your pen drive or hard disk, you can go ahead. I've tested up to 2 TB hard disk and it worked without any problem. Coming to the much talked about Vidaa OS. It's a first generation TV OS. It's extremely promising but still needs some work. The good thing is that it's extremely responsive and super smooth. No lag at all. It's a Linux based OS, which is why it isn't resource hungry like other smart TV OSs. Fortunately, we get Netflix, Prime Videos and YouTube support and they work really well as I showed you. But there is no other major OTT app available. No Disney Hotstar, no Sony Live, no ZEE5, none. We get some apps but they're just not enough. The homepage is super clean, my Netflix profiles and tiles of recommended movies are shown. Would like to see more app integration like these. Toshiba claims that regular updates will keep coming as they have full control over the OS, which is a huge plus. It's not a bad OS in any way. You have 3 most popular apps and probably the most viewed ones also. That's all you need. The lack of other OTT apps is the only weak point currently in this OS. But then they have confirmed that apps like Hotstar and ZEE5 should be available early next year. The biggest plus of the Vidaa OS is quick shutdown and quick boot. Takes just a couple of seconds. Then you have the Alexa voice system. The setup process does take some time, but the results are fabulous. I'm an Echo user and I was just waiting for this on a TV. Check it out. What's the weather in Mumbai?
Currently, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 27 degrees.
Alexa, play Arijit Singh songs.
Shuffling songs by Arijit Singh on Amazon Music.
Open Netflix. And if you have an Echo speaker with you, it goes to a whole new level. Check this out. Alexa, turn off the smart TV.
Okay,
Alexa, turn on the smart TV.
okay.
Alexa, open Netflix on smart TV.
Getting Netflix from Vidaa OS.
Alexa, open Prime Video on smart TV.
Getting Prime Video from Vidaa OS.
The Toshiba TV also comes with screen mirroring. Let's check it out. Turn on the screen mirroring app on your TV. Go to the cast option on your phone. You'll see your TV's name in the list. Click it. You'll see that the phone's display is mirrored on the TV. It's quite smooth with almost no lag. You can even play videos on your phone and mirror it. It plays really well with no lag at all. The best part is you don't even need a Wi-Fi connection for this. You can even use this as a Chromecast feature. Open the YouTube app, click on the Chromecast icon and cast the video from your phone to the TV. So now you can control the video from your phone, scrubbing ahead or behind. Super convenient. I even tested this on Netflix and it works really well. Coming to the sound, the TV is equipped with Dolby Atmos and 30-watt powerful sound. Let's do a quick demo. First some music demo and then a short action scene. Alright, firstly the speakers get really loud. The audio is really crisp, highs and mids are really very good. The dialogues and vocals are crisp and clear. The bass is above average, not the best but not bad either. Overall the sound is more than adequate for a built-in TV speaker. It's loud, it's clear and it's cinematic. So finally, coming to the 4-year panel warranty. So this is an introductory offer. You get 1 year comprehensive plus 3 years of panel warranty, which is only if you buy the TV between 18 September to 21st September. 4-year panel warranty as an introductory offer for 4 days, which is what makes this such a lucrative offer. But remember, this 4-year panel warranty is only for 4K Toshiba TVs. Talking about its service network, it has over 450 service centers that are catering to 18,500 pin codes across the country to ensure best after-sales service. This U50 Series 50-inch is going to be retailing at 32,990. If you're looking for other sizes, there's also the 43-inch 4K for 27,990. There's also a 55-inch 4K for 36,990. So depending on your budget and size of preference, you can make your pick. Toshiba has also launched the L50 series of HD and Full HD TVs and U79 series of 4K TVs. You can buy these online at Amazon.in, Flipkart, Reliance Digital and Tata Click. I'll leave the links in the description of all these devices. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope you really like this video. I'll cover more in detail with the follow-up video in a couple of days. So make sure you're subscribed and you don't miss that video. Also, if there are any questions regarding the Toshiba TV, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.